Yo, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing a deep dive on a piece of gear that has completely revolutionized my time off-grid, the UDPOWER C600 Portable Power Station Solar Generator. If you've ever been on a camping trip, worried about a blackout, or just wanted to cut the cord, you're going to want to see this. Stick around because this thing is absolutely insane. Tired of your phone dying just as you capture the perfect sunset? Worried about a power outage leaving you in the dark? In our modern connected world, access to reliable electricity isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. This is where the revolutionary UDPOWER C600 Portable Power Station Solar Generator comes in, changing the game for adventurers, homeowners, and everyone in between. Why do you need a portable power station solar generator? Imagine this. You're camping in the serene wilderness, but you still need to power your mini fridge, charge your drone, and keep the coffee maker running. Or a sudden storm knocks out your home's power, and you need to keep your medical CPAP machine or Wi-Fi router online. Traditional gas generators are loud, fume-filled, and impractical. This is the critical need the UDPOWER C600 Portable Power Station fulfills. It's your silent, eco-friendly guardian, providing a massive 595 of clean, safe, and silent power wherever life takes you. You will find the link to the product in the description below if you want to check it out. Power your entire adventure, the C600's superior benefits, so why should you choose the UDPOWER C600 over other options? It's not just a battery, it's a comprehensive power solution designed for real life. Massive power, massive compatibility. With a robust 600 WR rated power and a 1200 WR surge, this isn't a toy. It powers 99% of your devices, from sensitive laptops and smartphones to demanding appliances like refrigerators, power tools, and medical equipment, CPAP compatible. Its pure sine wave AC output ensures your valuable electronics are always safe. True solar generator freedom. The solar in portable power station solar is key. The C600 boasts a class-leading max 240 body solar input, allowing it to recharge fully from sunlight in just 2.5 hours with compatible panels. Its wide 18V/28V voltage range works with most solar setups, meaning you can truly go off-grid indefinitely without ever worrying about finding a wall outlet. Built to last a decade, literally. At the heart of this portable power station is a superior LiFePO4 lithium iron phosphate battery. While others use cheaper lithium-ion that degrades quickly, the C600 delivers over 4,000 charge cycles while retaining 80% of its capacity. That's 10 years of regular use. Plus, it's incredibly lightweight at only 12.79 pounds, making it 30% lighter than many competitors, a dream for any camper or RVer. If you're enjoying this review, please subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. It really helps us out. Why the UDPOWER C600 is simply better shopping on Amazon can be overwhelming. Here's why the C600 bundle stands out from the crowd. Unmatched safety. It's UL 2743 FCC ROHS certified and features a military-grade 6-layer protection system. You get peace of mind with overvoltage, short circuit, and temperature protection, plus an explosion-proof battery. Your safety is non-negotiable. Whisper quiet operation. Unlike loud, disruptive generators, the C600 operates below 30 dB thanks to its advanced silent fan and smart heat dissipation system. It won't disturb your peace in nature or your sleep during an emergency. Connect everything at once. With 9 output ports, it eliminates fights over chargers. Power 2 AC devices, charge a laptop via the 65W USB-C PD port, juice up phones on the USB-A ports, and run a car cooler, all simultaneously. Your key to uninterrupted power is here. The UDPOWER C600 Portable Power Station Solar Generator is more than a product. It's an investment in freedom, security, and adventure. It's the reliable, powerful, and safe solution that outperforms the competition on every front. Don't get left in the dark. Power your passion and protect your home with the best portable power station on the market. You will find the link to the product in the description. Go check it out. That's a wrap for this review. Alright folks, that's the UDPOWER C600. I've been seriously impressed with this unit, and I think it's a total game changer. What did you think? Have you used a portable power station before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews on the gear that helps you get outside and stay powered up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!